Dear YouTube team, my name is Chris Dugito. My YouTube channel is Ekdotin. I received email on March 11. It was demonetized my YouTube because of use content. I didn't expect I uploading video. It was make a violation. Here the example what I'm doing for uploading video. First, I'm going to the newsfeed of YouTube and then I select short videos. For example, like this. There is a lot that downside. There is option for green screen, so I select green screen and then okay. And then after that, I'm doing like that. I'm showing my face only for 1 to 2 seconds like that. After finish for 15 seconds, and then I make upload. I'm sorry YouTube team and also to all my viewers and subscriber. Sorry, and hopefully it will get back monetize my YouTube channel, which is Ekdotin, and hopefully it will get back my earnings. Again, I apologize to my YouTube team. So next time I didn't do it again, and thank you.